The woman sat in her room late in the afternoon. The house was quiet, and she felt very alone. It had been a hard week for her. She felt tired, and nothing seemed to work out the way she hoped. She looked out the window and saw a gray sky. The day felt heavy. She hugged a small pillow and let out a slow breath. She wished she had someone to talk to, but she did not want to bother anyone. Her phone was on the table beside her. She did not expect it to ring. Most days, she only got messages from work or ads. She lay back and stared at the ceiling. Her heart felt heavy. She missed talking to someone who cared. She missed hearing a warm voice. Then suddenly, her phone began to ring. The woman sat up, surprised. She reached for the phone and looked at the screen. She froze. The name on the screen was someone she knew well. It was an old friend. They used to talk all the time, but life got busy and they stopped calling each other. It had been many years since she last heard from her friend. Her hands shook as she answered the call. "Hello," she said softly. A warm voice said, "Hey, I know it's been a long time. You came to mind today. I just wanted to check on you." The woman felt tears in her eyes. She smiled for the first time that day. "Thank you," she whispered. "I really needed this." They talked for a long time. They laughed and remembered old stories. The silence in her house slowly faded away. Her sadness began to lift. When the call ended, the room felt warmer, softer, kinder. She realized something important. Love can find its way back even after a long time. Sometimes one phone call can change a whole day.